They're winning. Me and Jack are gonna go set up the fire and play with the side-by-side.
Alright, let us know when you're ready.
Oh, jeez. Oh, we had a nice little ride today. Jack's doing his little GoPro thing.
Chris is doing his little GoPro.
Oh, that's cute. Alright, I'm gonna get the side-by-side out. I'm gonna have to move that. I think I'll take this. Jack, find a rope.
Oh no.
Hold on one second. Ready? Tough to drive in these boots, I'll tell you what. Not yet, young friend, not yet. let's try and tie this back up again.
Yeah.
And figure it out the right way this time. Try and tie this up the right way. Well, that being said, the right way is definitely gonna also be the wrong way. Behind us, it's grooming. Alright, well, let's untie it. Might have gotten a little bit stuck.
Yeah. You were digging or something.
Oh, good thing this got a winch. Really?
Oh gosh. That's one way to do it.
Sure.
You want me to go get the lighter fluid?
No, we got a little while till the game's over. We're gonna have dinner and everything. And
Yeah.
let's go, Patriots! Now we just gotta make sure we burn all this shit, otherwise it's gonna make a mess.
And there's gonna be one big spot in the yard tomorrow.
Yeah, right? Alright, that's good for now, I think. Gonna go watch the rest of the game, eat some dinner, and then we'll come back out and have a nice bonfire. See you later. We had a nice ride over to Arrow with the family, and then we just kind of hung out and watched football for the rest of the day. Oh, I mean, I got my first speeding ticket on a snowmobile ever. That kind of sucked, but the cops were cool. So now, we'll take the side, well, we already took some of the stuff out back to have a fire. Now we're gonna warm up the side-by-side again, load it up, and then, yeah, have a nice little fire. I forgot a lighter! It goes in limp mode if you don't button your seatbelt.
Yeah. You gotta get more pallets. I got other pallets. Yeah, put that back. Oh wait, Chris.
What?
You're gonna have her put the board back.
Will she have time?
I don't know. There's gas on there. I thought it would go.
It's two-stroke,
So?
so it'll take longer to burn.
Oh. Yeah. Should have put it on the mattress.
It'll get there. Susan?
It can't wait. Happy now? Yeah. God, Claude. Hi!
New Hampshire stuff.
Ooh, she's a cooking. Just a picture, Mom. I'm just kidding, it's a video.
Wow, that was quick. Is that everything? The frame, everything? All right, what else can we burn?
Hey, you want to come?
No. I don't.
Come on, Mom.
Jackie will go, no. I'll be screaming the whole way.
Do it.
Have
We'll
Jackie.
get a lot of views with that.
Shot all right?
Yeah, sure.
If we tip,
It's not that big of a deal.
it's a big hill.
Look how nice the fire looks.
It does, it's awesome.
Ready?
Uh-huh. Oh, God, Chris. Oh, my God, Chris. Oh, my God. Can you feel your stomach? Oh, my God. Chris, all right, let me out. Oh, my God, Chris. You torment.
Hold on. What's up with that door? Something up with the passenger door keeps sticking.
Yeah. That was like really made my stomach jump. Like, all right, stop.
What? I thought it was awesome. We didn't even do anything crazy. He does a great job. He really is awesome.
We left the marshmallows in the house and he took off like a bat out of hell to go get them. It's like Levi LaValle for marshmallows.
He keeps going under it.
Emily's gonna take her first lap around the yard in the Expedition.
Oh boy.
Yeah. Seatbelt. Good. down there.
And then the drop.
It is like more than vertical.
Alright everybody, that's it for us tonight. We had a great day. Snowmobiling, hanging out with the family, fire, Patriots. What else could you ask for? Not much, huh, Ma?
Not much.
Not much.
Okay.
Hey, have a great night. God bless. Love you all.
One way to put a fire out.